Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So finally Oppo launched their Reno 4 family with the two smartphone, a Reno 4 and Reno 4 Pro, with the 65 super fast charging and triple camera on the backside. In this video we're talking about the latest Reno 4 family. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for the latest tech videos. So Oppo introduced its Reno series back in April of last year 2019, and the line quickly filled its ranks. The last member are the Reno 4 and Reno 4 Pro, and they bring OLED displays, Snapdragon 765G chipset, and capable camera setups. As the name suggests, that the Oppo Reno 4 Pro brings a more sophisticated camera setup with the OIS on the main 48 megapixel shooter and dedicated telephoto lens. The Pro also gets a 90Hz refresh rate screen, which come in 6.5 inch with a single punch hole cutout for the 32 megapixel selfie camera. The non-Pro model setting for a 6.4 inch panel, but come with a dual punch hole cutout with the same 32 megapixel selfie camera backed by 2 megapixel depth helper. Around the back, the Reno 4 gets a 48 megapixel main shooter alongside 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth helper. The Reno 4 Pro setups the ultra-wide camera to 12 megapixel and also comes with a 13 megapixel telephoto module capable of 5x hybrid optical zoom and 20x digital zoom. Oppo is including its live HDR video, which promise better detail preservation and color accuracy, especially in low light scenarios. Under the hood hardware, the Reno 4 series run the Snapdragon 765G chipset with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Both are also 5G capable and both color OS 7.2 based on the Android 10. The batteries come in a 4000 mAh and support 65 watt super fast wired charging, Super VOOC 2.0. The Oppo Reno 4 will be available in blue, black and purple 3 colors, while the Pro will come in a black, white, green and 2 special blue and red Reno Glow colors, which feature a frosted glass design. The Reno 4 will go for the Chinese yuan 2,999 yuan, equal $422, and it's 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of configuration, while the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage version will set a buyer's back to Chinese yuan 3,299 yuan, equal $465. The Reno 4 Pro start Chinese yuan 3,799 yuan, equal $535 for the 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, while the 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage variant available for Chinese yuan 4,299 yuan, equal $606. Sales for the Reno 4 series in China are scheduled to begin on June 12. International availability was not detailed yet. So guys, this is the latest Reno 4 family. Two smartphones in this family, Reno 4 and Reno 4 Pro. Let me know in the comment section which one you like, Reno 4 or Reno 4 Pro, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.